Hi and welcome to Ron's Garage. Today we'll look at the Mercedes Kuren, as I call it. And what I want to do is empty the fuel tank to see if we have water in it, because that feels like the first step to see if that's a problem. So through the trunk here I have the what's that called? The fuel sensor, or yeah, the one showing how much fuel I have. So maybe I should loosen that and see if that's actually, that might be, no, it's a wire, that also. I'll also look under and see if I have the fuel hoses there. And it feels like I need to clean this because there's a lot of crap here. I'm not sure if it's from the carpet or probably it is. I think this has been too hot and it's falling apart. Yeah, but we'll have a look at the fuel and see if we can get the fuel tank clean and see if that works. And here I found exactly what I need. I was thinking maybe Mercedes have a drain plug for the fuel tank, but then I thought, no, probably not. But yes, they have. So let's drain the fuel tank and see what we find. I probably need to do something to the exhaust system also, but that's a later question. So I had this huge Allen key, but of course it wasn't big enough. And I don't see this exactly where it's separated. I probably could use a pipe wrench there, but I'll probably try first to loosen these fuel hoses, because they are easy to replace. So I start with the lowest one and just try to get that off. Okay, so I got the fuel hose loose and it's leaking a bit, but most of the fuel ends up in the container. It doesn't look that bad. I hope I didn't have too much fuel in the tank, but it should be low. Okay. To be sure I get everything out of this tank, I have loosened the drain plug also. Yep, I'll get that off and see if I find anything interesting. Otherwise it's just put it back and put clean fuel in it and see what's happening. Okay, so drain plug is back and the fuel hose is back. I will take some measurements on the exhaust pipe. I will probably just put a straight pipe, because yeah, that should be enough. So now I have removed the fuel and if there were any water in the tank. So now I'll verify the spark plugs just to see if we have oil on them. Probably we have, but let's have a look at them and thinking I maybe should lift the top cover. Don't know what's that's name at the moment. Probably have it somewhere in my head, but I'll start with looking at the spark. So here we have number 1 from the front, and that looks really good. Oh. Here we have number 2. It's not that bad, but it's not as nice as number 1, but still okay, I would say. Here we have number 3. It's not too bad either. It's a bit black, but I would say it's okay at least. And here we have number 4, and that's also okay. A bit chocolate brown. Yeah, I think it's okay. So we don't have any issue with the spark plugs, at least. Now I'll check that we have oil in the engine, because that might be good. Let's see. Yeah, we have oil, and it's on an okay level, I would say. So I'll go buy exhaust pipe, and then we can continue with that. Since it looked very much like it were about to start to rain, I actually cleaned out the trunk and created a new trunk mat. It will not reach the entire way in, but let's try it out. Okay, the rain is here. Somehow I managed to get the carpet upside down. That's strange, because I put the old one on the correct side. Yeah, anyway, I have to put things in here and close because it's raining. Yeah, I see it now. You shouldn't stress things. Of course I had the carpet upside down. Stupid. Yeah, as I say, I do stupid things with cars. Okay, so it might be time to change this muffler, but as I said before, I'll do straight pipe just for fun. Okay, so a new pipe and a straight pipe, a bit too long, and we need to fix something so it's hanging in those hooks. But yeah, at least a straight pipe. So that doesn't look too bad. I guess these brackets here should be in the same level as the hooks here, but then I will lose the rubbers directly, so I'll just try it this way. There's not much force on it because there's no muffler anymore, so yeah, let's do it like that, and then we'll see what's happening. Maybe we should cut that pipe, but it's kind of cool, so I'll keep it for a while at least. Now I filled her up with new fuel with no water. I actually didn't see if there was any water in the fuel I wasted, but now we know it's clean, so hopefully it will work. I actually keep the car on the stands when I start it because I think the fuel will fall down. There is a fuel pump, so shouldn't be an issue. But yeah, I'll do like that. So we have about a quarter, a bit more on the fuel tank, so that's fine, and it works fine. Okay, that's definitely a straight pipe. I might be forced to put a muffler there, but yeah, and it's smoking. Yeah, I'll remove the jack stands and take a tour. So, straight pipe might sound like a cool idea, but it's actually kind of stupid. Yeah, that's a minor problem. The problem that it's dying on me is still there, so it's probably not water in the fuel tank. We should probably look at the carburetor and see if we can change anything. It's mainly when it's cold, so yeah, maybe we can adjust something. But I would guess we still need to fix the piston rings. But that's not gonna be done now. That's a later problem. So I'll end this episode here. Please like and subscribe, and see what else stupid stuff we can do. Bye.